It was a blazing hot 4th of July morning when I got the call sign. Me and the homie Kevy Kev took to the mean streets of Baltimore to respond to the call. I was told that a 750 had been sitting outside in the elements for about 3 years. And I am not talking about any old 750, but I'm talking about the iconic 2005 K5 750. I didn't know what to expect. But once we arrived on site, I was completely taken back. Although the bike had been out in the elements, weeds had been growing around the bike as if it was attempting to return the bike to the earth, this wonderful machine was in much better shape than I thought it would be. Needless to say, we secured the iconic machine and brought it back to the Quicksilver garage for some good old-fashioned GSX-R TLC. Now, if you want to catch the rest of the story, like and subscribe to the channel. This will be one that you will not want to miss. I'll catch y'all back at the garage. Folks, we got this beautiful 750 loaded up on the Black Widow trailer. And we're going to get it on back to the Quicksilver garage. Quick, Achilles, and Caesar are going to be happy to see this bad boy.